Now, the next little extension I've got, we're working on a website for interface for our China factory, and we're copying basically the global website. They can't use the global website in China because the cost of making it support Chinese characters is prohibitive, and also in China you essentially need to have your website hosted locally within the country. Anything local from outside China gets affected by the Great Firewall of China, and things break and things don't load properly, that sort of thing. So they had this existing website that I basically just rebadged and made it look like the global website. And one of the things on the global website is this image slider in the front here that it's using a JavaScript library called Slick, which you can see here. It's a pretty standard JavaScript library. The thing I really like about this slideshow is the fact that it is mobile responsive. So on the iPads and phones and stuff like that, you can actually swipe to go through the images. The other thing that's really cool about it is that you can have images of different sizes. So you could have, you see how this is like a landscape, and then you've got a portrait, and you've got all completely different sizes, and it mashes them all together like a continuous sort of thing. So I like the way that worked, and I thought I should probably bring that to Joomla as well. So I've created a module that loads up that slick JavaScript library in Joomla and allows you to select images and load them up in the slideshow. So I'll just give you a little demo of that.
Does it give you text overrides like those?
You can add a text title underneath it, and you can add a URL link to each individual image as well.
But not as a block of text above the image or anything like that?
No, it doesn't have layers of text on or anything like that. It's very
customize the CSS and the font and bring that stuff.
So I've already installed the module, so I'll just go new, and it's called Slick Slider. We'll give it a name. Like the title. Assign it to a position, so banner is a standard position on this template that we're using. Obviously needs to be published. Module assignment, you decide which pages you want to appear on, and then images, you select the images that you want included in the slideshow. Now, the trick is to make sure all the images have the same height. If they've got different heights, it's not going to look very nice when it merges them all together. But the width can be whatever you like. So as long as they've all got the same height, it doesn't matter if they're not in the same proportion. So I'll just select a few images here. So it lets you pick up to 10 images at the moment, and for each image you can put in the URL that you want it to go to if someone clicks on it, or if you leave it blank it just ignores that and just shows the static image. And you can put a title which is text underneath that particular image. Just save that and show you that. And there's the slideshow there, so it's really easy to use. There's not too many settings. Eventually I'd like to add some of these other settings from this slick slider. You can do all sorts of fancy things. There's all these different types of slideshows you can do. At the moment I've only just implemented that simple one that's like this China one. But if you're looking for that sort of slideshow where you've just got a row of images that are all the same height, then it's a quick and easy solution, and it's mobile responsive. So looking really nicely, and on the mobile you just swipe to slide.